there's a friend of mine that gave me the vise that's on my workbench now. He gave that thing to me well over a year ago, probably 2 years ago. Well, he approached me the other day. He's restoring a 1960-something VW Bug and asked me to make him wooden handles for it. So I'll come up with something. I'm actually thinking about doing it on the lathe somehow. Alright guys, so I've been gone for a while. I haven't really been in the garage at all for like a month. So it happens. So anyway, these are the VW handles. And I did turn them on the lathe. So if I'm saying this right, DunDunDunnn, you said you were interested in seeing that, so that's coming up next. So I'm not going to offer any excuses for my absence. I've been gone. But I did get these done today. And the whole process of turning this on the lathe was a bit scary. You'll see me get way out of the way before I even test it. I do not recommend that you do what I did with my lathe. I was fully prepared to buy new bearings for that thing when I got done. And I don't think I hurt it, but I could have. Could have hurt myself. But yeah, but that's me. That's not me hurting somebody else. So, I'm not going to say it was a bright idea, but just because you see me do something stupid doesn't mean you can do something stupid and get away with it. So here's the issue. I can't even get the banjo under it. So, and I'm really scared to even turn this thing on. I'm going to turn the middle down on centers and get that weight down. Alright. Not gonna lie. I'm kind of scared. Let's get you in there. Oh, God. Alright. Face shield's going on. Can you tell I'm nervous? Can you tell I'm nervous? I'm more scared of what this is going to do to my lathe. And it's kind of rocking and rolling a little bit, but Guess we'll see what happens. Alright, so there's the shape. Wow. That was kind of scary. Alright guys, I think that's all shaping I'm going to do. So now I'm just going to get the sanders out. And I'm going to start with 80. And this is going to take a very long time. So you will not have to watch that. Alright, so I got all the ridges sanded out of it. It's nice and smooth. Well, it's smooth at 80 grit. So I'm going to take a long straight edge and I'm going to eyeball the center of this curve and this curve. Mark here, mark there. Now I want center mass here and center mass here. So there's center mass. trying not to blow the back side out too much. I want to just barely poke through. I think I can clean that up. These things turned out awesome. I'm really, really, really happy with these. So, yeah, I'm digging the shape, and they feel really nice. I've got them sanded up super smooth. I'm not putting a finish on them. I'm going to give them to my buddy Mark, who I'm making these for, and let him decide on the finish. But, yeah, I'm really, really happy with these. So I'm probably going to do a follow-up video on the 4-blade marking gauge, my last video. There was some confusion in the comments about why I would even want a marking gauge with that design. So I think I'm going to do a follow-up video for that, just a really quick, you know, maybe a 2-minute video, that kind of thing, just to show you why I would build one like that. Just to kind of clear that up. Again, I don't normally do follow-up videos, but I feel like that one really needed it. I don't feel like I was clear enough in that video. I'm going to try to do a follow-up video on these door handles, the car door handles here, because I want you guys to see them once they're put in. I mean, how I want to see them once they're put in. So I don't know where Mark is in the process of restoring this car. So it might be a couple of weeks before you guys see these things installed. It might be 6 months. However, I don't know. I don't even know where he is in the process. I hope you enjoyed the video, and give me a thumbs up if you did. Also, I made tons of comments in my previous videos about my Facebook page. That is gone. I have deleted my Facebook page. The GP Woodworks Facebook page, as far as I know, no longer exists. I told him to delete it. I'm still in the 14-day waiting period, but it's gone. It's out of there. I got zero traffic on it, and I wasn't participating in it. I'm not a huge fan of social media to begin with, so I got rid of all my Facebook accounts all in one shot. Just, they're gone. So don't get butthurt. Nobody made me do it. It was just a waste of my time. Anyway, I'm really glad. I'm really, really pleased with the way these came out. I say a lot. I need to quit saying that so much. So, yeah, cut.